Show you a couple of ways of how you can look up data using the AUSIS website. So you want to go to ausis.edu.au and then select seismic data, and we want to look at recent earthquakes. Up will come a map and all the dots are earthquakes that have been recorded recently. We're interested in actually one that happened earlier on in the month. So up it comes again. And now you'll see that the earthquakes that occurred in Queensland at the end of July have popped up here as well. So there's two different colours based on the catalogue that they come from. So we'll just click on one of the events, and down below here it comes up with some details about the event. So this one was a magnitude 5.7. Next thing we want to do is see how this was looked at the schools that recorded it. And when you go across the school's station codes, they flick up. So we want to have a look at Wavell, at Biwa, because they were pretty close. Then perhaps have a look at, say, Dubbo High School, that was a bit further away, and plot. All right, this takes some time, so please be patient. I've already requested the data for us, and this is the sort of plot that we get from this. The traces, these are seismic traces, are plotted with distance from the earthquake, and this axis down here is minutes after the event. Another way you can look at this data is if we know what time the event occurred, we can look at the archive data. So go to archive data. I've already brought this up here with the time and day, and then we can select a couple of stations and go plot. Again, it takes a couple of seconds for this to come up. I've already brought it up here, and this is another way of how it looks. These ones are both plotted on the same scale. Please note that this is actually 10 to the negative 6, not 10 to the 6. So that's just a little mistake that we're in the process of fixing. I hope that helps, and enjoy your earthquake exploring.